Hi there, Doug Prexta with Hinkley Landscape Lighting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a foolproof connection utilizing the kit that we supply with every Hinkley fixture. 2 red wire nuts and a tube of silicone. The only additional thing you'll need is some black electrical tape. Let's go take a look and see how it's done. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a good connection here. This is a really important part of your landscape install. If you don't have a good connection, you'll have troubles right out of the gate or years down the road here. I've been doing this a long time and have made hundreds and hundreds of connections, and I use an old-fashioned wire nut with silicone and have never had trouble with any one of my connections. So basically this is your trunk line, your 12 gauge cable. And remember, we recommend 12 gauge cable when you're doing your landscape install. It's heavier, it's going to give you that added durability versus a 14 or 16 gauge cable. So I definitely recommend 12 gauge cable. Go ahead and just cut your trunk line here. Split the wire. Basically, we're going to put it right back together along with the fixture. I like to strip it at least 1 inch. It's nice to have a good pair of wire strippers as well. Makes the job real easy, especially if you're doing a lot of landscape installs. Go ahead and put the trunk line or your main run from the transformer back together. Add your fixture wire. Doesn't matter which side or which wire from the fixture. Go ahead and twist it a little bit. Got your wire nuts here with silicone already added. Just twist them on. Make sure all the copper wire gets covered with the silicone, nice and tight. And then we'll take some electrical tape and wrap it up. Plenty of electrical tape here. Do the same thing on the other side. 12 gauge cable back together. Add our fixture wire. Plenty of electrical tape here. Then what I like to do is wrap them both together. Gives you a little bit more strain relief when you're moving those fixtures around for that last minute adjustment. That's all that's to it. You've got a great fixture that'll last for years and years.